Can I find Logitech webcam in Japan? Answers yes, but in the different names. Let's take a look at the Logitech website. You wanted to check what other country Logitech are operating. So just click this like a US link. Then you're gonna see on the left is North America and South America. The Logitech operating. In the middle is like Southeast Asia and the Middle East, and the right is Europe, and the middle is Europe as well. Right is Asia and the Pacific Asia regions. Here you scroll down to bottom left. This is like a Japan's ones. So click this one, Japan. So this is like a Japanese like a Logitech website. What you can see on the top left corner, they say logical. It's not, it doesn't say like a Logitech. So they selling the same item, but why they call it logical in Japan? It's not the Logitech. So there is a reason why in Japan. Here, this according to this Wikipedia, this is like a branding. Why they stated that the Logitech won't be able to use the name of the Logitech in Japan. Let's take a look at it. This is like a direct translation on the right. When Logitech was trying to operate it in Japan, there's already the company called the Logitech exist. Their like a trademark submission was 1974. The Logitech in US is started operating after like a 1981. So it's a time of like a 1988. Before the Logitech started having a company, and there's already name of a company called Logitech exists here. So they won't be able to use the name of the Logitech in Japan. First time they called the Logitech Pacific, but they changed the name from like a 1996. They changed to the Logical. This is like a reason why the Logitech cannot use the name of the Logitech in Japan, because of the branding. It was like the name of Logitech is already exist. Let's take a look at what the Japanese Logitech look like. So scroll down to it. This is their website. So when you trying to type like a Logitech, so this is gonna read it too. Yeah, these are a tech company in Japan, but this is nothing got to do with like a Logitech in US. When purchasing the Logitech, this is the package it looks like. This is one of the webcams. The box, the design is the same, using the same like color. Package is about the same, but only difference is the naming is logical. But take a look at this serial number in the box, PN29 in the last. Because about the package outside, this is made by the Logical. There is an interesting fact that there are two different kind of serial number exist. One outside the box, what you saw it, and this is like inside. So when you take a close look at the label, in the label, funny thing is in the label they use the name of the Logitech. It's not a Logical. So suppose outside you cannot use the name of the Logitech, so simply call it the Logical. But inside it has a Logitech name. But close look at the serial number, D9M8. It's totally different from outside the box. So there are the two different serial number. It's funny. So something got to do with maybe outside the package, inside they are manufacturing different. So this is like an interesting fact that, let's say, if you think you have only one serial number, the fact is you don't. You have like two different serial number, one in outside, one in inside the label. So because of, I think at the outside, maybe the Japanese company is, well, I guess the Japanese Logical is making, but inside they are supplied by the Logitech. So now you know this is the only company logical among the Logitech company. Now you know why. Well, see you next time. Bye.